Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.05 and $5.75 by 2030. Market investigators accept Nexo could reach $2.37 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 54 cents. Nexo presentation: researchers learned one thing on account of the development of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked eagerly to foster an extraordinary digital money that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments and replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a thorough value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a beneficial option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo specialized examination: the cost of Nexo has a splendid standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time. As per all suitable cost forecast information, Nexo is presently worth 68 cents USD. Nexo has moved 1.58% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,258. Nexo is presently positioned 93 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $378,949,428 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.02. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 95 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 81 cents. Nexo value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.71. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Nexo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.37 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.50. Nexo value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.39 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.18 and a low of $2.05 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Nexo effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.07, with a base cost of $2.73 and a typical cost of $2.87. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.55 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.41 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $3.75. Nexo Value Forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.23. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $4.44. Neglecting to assemble the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.10. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.78 and a yearly cost close above $5.12 in 2029. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.46 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.80, averaging out at $5.60. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.69 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.42. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't anticipate what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is reliant upon the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how Nexo will foster from now on. You could likewise investigate the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a money's careful worth ahead of time because of the unpredictable idea of the digital currency market. A notable digital money that has so far been fruitful is Nexo. Nexo speculations can be shrewd moves. However, you ought to hold off on critical ventures until the market is in a down market. Keep up with consciousness of ongoing business sector changes. So you might pick shrewdly, monitor the different costs, supports, and obstruction levels. What is the Nexo cost today? Today, Nexo is exchanging at 68 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $378,949,428. Is Nexo a wise venture? Nexo ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Nexo is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Nexo at any point go? The typical cost of Nexo might potentially reach 95 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Nexo might outperform $4.44. What amount will Nexo be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety